Okay, it is now 1:30 in Fresno at Sequoia Elementary School. Here's the microphone. It's been now running 3 hours on its last link since 10:30 in the morning. So 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30. It's now 1:30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can hear me through the speakers right there in the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the HNB unit R.4 version 1.0. And it's currently in room number 3, running 3 hours and 3 hours and 1 minute. So there you go, it's 1:30, and the microphone has been on in a solid condition since 10:30. So 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30. Here I am, and we'll walk around the room. Test, test, test. 1, 2. I'm doing a circle right now. 1, 2, 3. Turning the microphone in my hand, 1, 2, 3, holding it up here, holding it down here. So it seems to be working okay. Test, test. Not hearing any of the flutter that we heard, in previous tests. So there's the windows looking outside. Okay, there we go. We currently have this room at 3 hours. I'm going to put it back down. We're going to run it to see how long it'll go. And then, so we'll place it right back there for the moment. I've had it everywhere in the room. I've had it over there near the 900 megahertz clock. I've had it there sitting on the whiteboard. I've had it sitting on the shelf over here. So it's been all over the room. I'm going to walk through room number 2, which I turned it off at over 2 hours on room number 2. And now we're going into room number 1. And it's been running now for 2 hours and 15 minutes. The first time it ran, okay, I put it over here. First time I ran it was 2 hours, about 10 minutes. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. We're at Sequoia Elementary, and the relink has been 2 hours and 17 minutes. And there's the clock, and you can see that the clock is now reading 1:32, and this test has been linked since 11:15. So it's been running over 2 hours, 11:15, 12:15, 1:15, and now it's 1:32. Test, and the unit. I've had the unit sitting in this little light stand. I've had it sitting over here. I've had it sitting right next to the unit here on the board. I had it here. I've had it directly underneath the clock here on that shelf over there. And I've had it sitting in all positions on the windowsill right there. So it's currently been running over 2 hours and 15 minutes. This is room number 1. Now I'm going to go over to room number 4. I'm going to put the microphone down. Here's the hallway of the school. Right here they're putting in carpet. And I'm walk across. Here's room number 4. And this one has been running 1 hour and 30 minutes since its relink. And I'm going to pick it up. Okay, here we go. Test 1, 2, 1, 2. And this has also been running since 11:30, so 12:30. So this has been running about 2 hours. So you can see the clock is reading 1:34, and we're in room number 4. And again, this microphone has been sitting in all different positions over there on the shelf there, over on the window where we've been, and back over here on the shelf there. So it's been all over the room. Again, the room is about 30 by 35, and this room has been running now about 2 hours. So all of the 4 units, R.4 version 1.40, have run today on June 2nd at least 2 hours before quitting. Some of them quit, earlier, 25 minutes, 40 minutes, 2 minutes. But when they relinked, each one of these 4 have run for well over 1 hour, and now going on 2 to 3 hours. And I'm going to stop. I'm going to run them for try to run them for 4 hours when they shut down the school here at 3 o'clock. Okay? Bye.